Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get templates on Figma. First, open your Figma application or navigate to the Figma website in your web browser. Once you are logged in, you will see your dashboard. This is your central hub for all your design projects and files. From here, we will explore the community section to find the perfect template for your next project, saving you valuable time and effort. Now, let's dive into the Figma community. On the left-hand side of your Figma dashboard, you will find a navigation panel. Look for the Community tab and click on it. This will open a new page, showcasing a vast collection of resources shared by designers worldwide. You can use the search bar at the top to look for specific types of templates, like mobile app UI or presentation slides. Once you have found a template that catches your eye, click on it to view more details. You will see a preview of the template, along with a description and sometimes even instructions from the creator. To use this template, simply click the Duplicate button, usually located in the top right corner. This action creates a personal copy of the template in your drafts, ready for you to edit and customize. Congratulations! Your chosen template is now open in your Figma drafts, ready for your personal touch. You have full control to modify any aspect of the design. Change colors, update text, rearrange elements, or even add new components to fit your project's specific needs. Remember to save your work regularly. This process allows you to leverage professional designs as a starting point, significantly boosting your design efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.